Hello and welcome to day 60 of Bedtime Welsh. And, I think I just about need to shave, don't I? No? You don't think I need to shave? Oh, usually you go on about that. Right, okay, so we've got a combination now today. We've got some monsters for you and then just a little bit of a slightly change of structure around at the end of it. So let's get started with the monsters. First of all, I haven't finished eating.
Dwi ddim wedi gorffen bwyta.
Dwi ddim wedi gorffen bwyta. Because I'm reading the book you gave me.
Achos dwi'n darllen y llyfr wnest ti roed i mi.
Achos dwi'n darllen y llyfr wnest ti roi i mi. So after that little bit of a warm-up, now we try and put them together. So, I haven't finished eating because I'm reading the book you gave me.
Dwi ddim wedi gorffen bwyta oherwydd achos dwi'n darllen y llyfr wnest ti roed i mi.
Wow, well remembered. Dwi ddim wedi gorffen bwyta achos dwi'n darllen y llyfr wnest ti roi i mi. When you can get that one all in one go, please come into Angharad's lessons and tell us about it and do a video, show us, because that's monstrous, that's gigantic. Okay, so just to finish with now, you remember going, don't you? To go is
Mynd.
Mynd. So what's you're going?
Ti'n mynd.
Ti'n mynd. And how about are you going?
Wyt ti'n mynd?
Wyt ti'n mynd? And that's all for today. So we'll have some more for you tomorrow. Hwyl am y tro.
Ta!